Good morning, my technical friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to automatically create the Amazon machine images of the EC2 instances. AWS provides the feature to automatically create a snapshot of your volumes, but there is no feature of automatically deleting the snapshots of your EC2 volumes, EBS volumes. So this is a very nice feature. There is no automatic function in the AWS console to create the Amazon machine images automatically on daily basis. So WebDG has created the script for automating this process of creating the AMIs and deleting the AMIs. So for this process we will follow these steps. We are following their link for this process. So just we will copy this link. Here they have provided the step-by-step instructions how to do automatic AMI creations. So sometimes these steps are difficult to understand. So I will explain you in a simple way. So for automating this process, first we need to create a policy, and that policy name will be Lambda execution policy. Okay? We will give this policy name as Lambda execution policy. For creating any policy, you have to go to the IAM dashboard. Inside the IAM dashboard, there is a tab policies. Inside policies, you have to click on create policy. Then click on the JSON format, because the policy is given in the JSON format. So the policy is present on this link. We will copy the policy from this link. Just use this link to get your policy in JSON format. So on the GitHub link they have given the policy. Just select this policy, copy this policy and paste in your JSON area. So this is the policy format. Just click on revive policy. Give the name to your policy. We have decided we will give this name Lambda execution policy. Will be used for automatic AMI creation and deletion. This much is sufficient. Click create policy. So now we have created the policy. The next step is you have to create the IAM role, and that role will have this policy. Okay? So go to the console, click on the roles, okay, and here you have to create role. That role is for the Lambda function, so click on Lambda and then click on next permissions. In the permission we have to attach the policy that lastly we created. Our name of the policy was Lambda execution policy, so we can directly paste that name and that policy is available for you. Just select this policy, click next tags. No need to add the tags, just next revive. Give the name to your role. So we will decide the name of the role as Lambda execution role. This name will be given. And this role is for automatic AMI creation and deletion. Click create role. So we have completed this role step. Now we have to create a Lambda function with the name of as CreateAmi. So go to your console, click on services, and inside the compute resources, that is the Lambda. In the Lambda, click on create function. You have to select author from scratch. Okay. And function name. Our function name will be CreateAmi. This is our function name. CreateAmi. This name we are giving to this. And here you have to select your script language. So this script is written in Node.js. So select the Node.js and choose here the role. That role you created. Use existing role. Before this step we created the role. Select that role. Our role is Lambda execution role. Okay, create function. Click on create function. Now you have to write the script in this function. So where we'll get that script? So that CreateAmi script is present on this link. We have to go to this link for taking that script. We'll paste here. Here is the script. Select this script. Copy this script. Come to your console and paste here. Paste. Okay, directly click Ctrl V. Okay, so that script we have pasted. You have to remember something. This script is for your EC2 instance. So we have to specify the region of your EC2 instance. By default, they have given EU-West-1, but my EC2 region is AP-South-1. So whatever is the region for your EC2 instance, you have to specify that region. Otherwise, this script will not run properly. Okay, and this script is present there. A role is already attached. Description you can give. The function is used for automatic AMI creation. And timeout you have to select is 5 minutes. Some errors were found, so they recommend that we have to use the 5 minutes as a timeout. Over this step is completed. You can click on save. So your CreateAmi function has been created. So please remember to change your region in the script. The region you will select for your EC2 instance deployed. Set the timeout as 5 minutes. We already set that timeout as 5 minutes. We have clicked on the save button. Now again we have to create next function with the name as AMI delete. We'll use the DeleteAMI name. Okay, so this script for the deleting the AMI is present on this link. Okay, first we will go to another function. We have created one function, and now click on functions. One function you have created, CreateAmi. You have to create another function as DeleteAmi. Here you have to give the function name. Our function name is DeleteAMI. The script is in Node.js. So select the Node.js and our role. Existing role we will select. Use existing role. Our role name is Lambda execution role that we created in our first step. Click on create function. Now this function also need a script. Here you need to paste the script, and that script is present in this link for deleting the AMI. select this link, open the tab, paste this link. On this link you will get that script for deleting the automatic deletion of the AMI. Select all the script, copy the script, come to your console. Still it is not updated. Here we need to paste that DeleteAMI. It's taking time. For the timeout we need to say it is 5 minutes. Description we will paste. The function is used for automatic deletion of the EC2 AMIs, Amazon machine images. Still it is not loaded. We will save it. Functions. Here we need to paste that, but it is taking time. Okay, so in this way you will create the DeleteAMI, and after pasting the script in this section you will click on save. Okay. So currently it is taking time. I am not wasting your time. We will go further. Remember to change your EC2 region in the DeleteAMI script. Timeout we have set the 5 minutes. Now we need to create a rule for scheduling your AMI creation. At which time you want to create the AMI of your EC2 instances. So we have to schedule it. For scheduling your AMI creation, you have to go to the CloudWatch. In the CloudWatch, there is a rules, and here you have to create the create rule with the schedule expressions. We will use the cron expressions for automatic AMI creation. So these cron expressions accept your date and time with as UTC in a UTC format, and I am living in India. I have to convert my timing into IST. So suppose I want to take a AMI snapshot daily at 12 p.m. 11 p.m. at night. So I will use a website that is IST to UTC converter. IST to UTC converter. And suppose I am planning at 11 p.m. This is 11 p.m. Okay. For 11 p.m. in UTC, I have to set the time 5:30. Okay. 5:30 p.m. So here my expression will be, first expression is for the minutes, 30 minutes at 5 hours. First is minutes, then hours, then day of the month, day, all the day, daily I want to take, then month, then day of the month, any date, okay, and year, all the years, every day I want to take. Okay. So at 5:30 GMT, it's a general mean time that as per IST, if I see 5:30 PM is equal to 11 PM of IST, so I am setting it IST. So I have set this description and click on add target, click on Lambda function, select this Lambda function, select your CreateAmi to create the AMI, and then click on configure details. I will give the role name as CreateAmi 11 PM. the rule will automatically create the AMI daily at 11 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Click on create rule. Okay. And suppose you want to delete the older AMI. So for that also you have to create the rule for deleting the older AMI. I will also create the rule for deleting the AMI. I want to delete the older AMI at 11 p.m. same time, or at 10 a.m. Old AMI I want to delete on 10. So for 10 IST 10 p.m. IST 10 p.m. is 4:30 in UTC. So this is a minutes and this is hours. Minutes, then hours, then day of the month, all the day, all the month, any day of the month, all the years. Okay. This is my schedule expressions. Click on add target, select Lambda function, and here DeleteAMI. So daily at as per IST, it will delete at 10 p.m. Click on configure details. The rule name is DeleteAMI dash 10 p.m. The rule will automatically delete the older AMI and snapshots of the EC2 instances daily at 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Click on create rule. So we have created the rules for deleting and creating the AMI. Now if we want to automate the AMI creation and AMI deletion, our only role is to go to our EC2 instance, select our EC2 instance, go to the tags, and inside the tags click on add edit tags. By these tags you can automate your AMI creation. So the key value you have to put as a backup in the tag, and its value will be yes. Create tag. Another tag we have to add is backup no reboot. You have to set the option as true. It is very important because during AMI creation, image creation, the instance is rebooted. If you set this tag backup no reboot, so it will not reboot your EC2 instance. Okay. Create tag. And now the third most important thing is backup retention days. For how many days you want to keep your AMI snapshots? Suppose I want to keep it for 15 days. So as per this my retention timings, if my AMI image is older than 15 days, it will automatically delete the older AMI and snapshots. Just click on the save. So whole process has been automated. The above tags actually will enable the automatic AMI creation and deletion of EC2 instances. The backup tag enables the AMI backup. Backup no reboot with value true will disable the auto reboot of your EC2 instance during the process of AMI creation. Backup retention days, the value of the tag will determine how many days you want to keep the AMI and snapshots of the EC2 instances. On the basis of this retention days, the DeleteAMI function deletes the older AMI and snapshots. Thanks for watching my video.